Innovation, innovation, innovation. The things I do to survive. Innovation, innovation, innovation. The things I do for a better life. Innovation, innovation.
Hi, I'm Tilak Ravi Krishnaswamy. Connecting things is my passion. I like to build products and services with maximum impact and minimum carbon footprint. Today, I feel healthcare has a major challenge. Globally, as per WHO's report, we have a shortage of over 18 million healthcare professionals. India itself has a shortage of over 600,000 doctors, and Africa over a million. Reach is also a major challenge. Today, 63% of our rural population only accesses 25% of the healthcare facilities. The rest enjoy 75%. 89% of the specialties are only there in cities. This is a huge healthcare delivery divide. Doctors spend a large part of their times in case management, whereas patients spend a large time commuting to these facilities. This commute or time taken is a reason why people delay in getting their health checked, which is catastrophic. Largely, individuals also don't have a way to maintain their medical history, and there's no connectivity of this to communities or community healthcare centers. This could have been used to resolve larger problems. There is a way to address this problem, and I believe telemedicine is the right solution. Telemedicine comprises of basic technologies which could resolve this problem. The very simple way to resolve this is an AI-based chatbot which translates simple questionnaires and that connects to your IoT equipments. These IoT equipments could be anywhere between your MRI, X-ray to a simple chronic management device. It could be a blood pressure device or your temperature device. This later translates into your personal medical history or a personal healthcare management system, which consolidates information before any consultation. That's a teleconsultation. Teleconsultation later translates into an e-prescription system, which is not just an average prescription, but automatically translates into reminders, alerts, as well as follow-ups. So this is what a basic telemedicine system comprises of. An AI-based chatbot or questionnaire acts as a symptom tracker. This helps in redirecting the patient to the right physician, as well as assists a physician in the case management. This is a very vital tool in telemedicine. Integration of IoT equipments and tests are critical in telemedicine. This enables the physicians to take the right decisions. It could be a very simple device connect. For example, at home, an individual chronic patient could be connected to blood pressure, sugar, and other devices for chronic healthcare management. Whereas a larger healthcare facility could have an integration with X-ray, MRI, and other test equipments. This enables an extension of reach as well. By having small such setups, a hospital can reach out to larger rural areas, or a doctor could reach out to larger rural areas, providing not just specialties there, but also enabling them with the right set of physicians. This could be done at a fraction of a cost. Personal healthcare record or medical record enables physicians or doctors to get a deeper look at your profile and take informed decisions. This enables them to look at your allergies, current prescriptions, past prescriptions, and your overall medical record. It also enables an individual to take care of themselves by logging in their symptoms, and for chronic patients especially, they can see how their parameters are changing based on their actions. In telemedicine, video consultation also plays a very vital role. It enables the doctor to observe the patient while the patient to gain confidence that the real doctor is consulting them. In addition to that, the simplified case management based on the previous steps enable the doctor to interact with the patient, ask additional questions, take notes, and prescribe the right medication. Post-video consultation, an e-prescription is issued to the patient. This comprises of the right medication that needs to be taken and its dosage, and the necessary tests that one needs to take. This also has some notes which enables the physician to recollect based on what symptoms these medications were issued. Post e-prescription, scheduling enables patients to tell them when to take the right medication, what time should they get the necessary tests done. Enables them to balance between an e-consult and a physical visit of a patient. Some of you might think this looks good on paper, but does this actually work? Does telemedicine or telehealth in reality works? Simply put, let me share a case study of a test done over 1,000 individuals who are senior citizens by Department of Health UK. In this study, deploying a telehealth system, they observed that there was 15% reduction in A&E visits. There was 20% reduction in the expense. There was a 14% reduction in bedtime days and 8% reduction in the travel costs. Most importantly, they observed that there was a 45% drop in mortality. This proves that a small system like telehealth, which is a subset of telemedicine, definitely works. There are companies who have achieved these results successfully. For example, Telemedcare. This company has successfully demonstrated across geographies in Australia and some parts of Europe. Whereas there are companies like Leap which are doing this on an individual basis for healthcare organizations and individuals. These telemedicine systems at a community level can significantly contribute to private, state-run and central facilities. The consolidation of all of this data could mean understanding chronic problems better, understanding what symptoms lead to what diseases, and even predict the next big pandemic. Let's take an example of COVID. A particular set of symptoms led to a particular mortality rate in a particular geography. If this were logged into such a system, could have had an early detection of the pandemic. To conclude, a patient saves a lot of time, a lot of money, and he also is able to manage his health better because of personal healthcare information. Doctors will be able to get advanced case management system. This enables them to save more time. By doing so, they would be able to reach out to a larger audience. As per RegSmart research, they might be able to reach out to 30% larger number of people, enabling more consults and revenue, but also saving more lives. Hospitals would be able to increase their reach to larger communities by setting up smaller test centers at a fraction of a cost, which optimizes their time and adds to their additional revenues. By utilizing this technology, we will be able to predict the sources of various problems that we face on a day-to-day basis. In addition to that, we might also be able to predict, track, or detect the next big pandemic, saving billions of dollars and, more importantly, lot more lives. Thank you.